হাতি সাউন্ড ওগুলো।
সব লাল বলে আছে।
Welcome to our channel Explore Life with Shutapa. We are back with another video and this is about jungle safari at Satkosia. In Satkosia, there is a provision of jungle safari which is arranged by the Forest Department of Odisha where you can get a sighting of various animals in the forest. Satkosia is a very active elephant corridor, so you can get a sighting of the elephants in the jungle safari. Apart from elephants, you can also get sighting of leopards, Indian gaur, golden jackal and deers such as barking deer, spotted deer and sambar deer. In Satkosia, we took an early morning safari at around 4:30 am. What are the animals that we sighted? How was the experience? To know, please keep watching the video. So without any further delay, let's start the video. In Satkosia Wildlife Sanctuary, earlier there was a provision of a night safari provided by the Forest Department. But now the night safari is no longer allowed. In place of that, there is a very early morning safari which starts at around 5 am in the morning till 7:30 am and a late evening safari from 4 pm to 7 pm. Since the animals are mostly active during dawn and dusk, there are high chances of sighting of wild animals during these safaris. And the sighting chances are more in summer than in winters. In winters, there is heavy mist, which hinders the visibility of the sightings. These safaris are arranged by the Forest Department of Odisha. These safaris are not allowed in the core zone, rather, they happen in the buffer zone of Satkosia. All our bookings were handled by Mr. Sunil Sahu. I am providing his phone number in the description box. Also, you can watch my other videos on Satkosia Wildlife Sanctuary to know about the details.
Good morning everyone. It's 4:30 am in the morning and we are now going for a forest safari.
In Satkosia, we stayed at Punnakot Nature Camp where the caretaker leaves the nature camp at night after serving dinner. And also in Satkosia, there is no network except BSNL. And we didn't have any network, so we got ready and waited for a safari vehicle to arrive at the nature camp. The caretaker and Mr. Sunil Sahu has strictly asked us not to go out till the safari vehicle arrives as there is a probability of animal movement near the nature camp.
It's the canter and you can hear it. It's the dewdrops which is falling like rain. And here is the mist, complete mist. Nothing is visible. And here is our canter. We will go in this. Yeah, it's mist and fog. See the ambience. Oh my god.
In winters, in Satkosia, the safari vehicle is a canter and it was very chilled outside. So they give closed vehicle. and we were now going to Chotkei Nature Camp to pick up the other members of the safari. The road from Punnakot Nature Camp to Chotkei Nature Camp is through dense forest, and it was completely pitch dark outside with heavy mist. It was very thrilling, and at the same time, we were anticipating to bump into elephants any moment. We were scared as well. We reached Chotkei Nature Camp, and after picking up the other passengers for the safari, we headed towards Bagmunda. Bagmunda is the area where the main sighting of elephants and other mammals takes place. Nothing was visible except the road ahead, and it was a very thrilling experience. Mr. Sunil Sahu heard some elephant movement, and we stopped for some time at a place.
हाथी साउंड होत होता.
Mostly, the elephants, on sensing a vehicle coming, has moved to the interior of the jungle, and we could not trace them, so we went ahead. Moving ahead, Mr. Sunil Sahu also spotted another mammal, a golden jackal.
না না ও ইয়েটা গোল্ডেন জাগার ফোকাস হ্যাঁ গোল্ডেন জাগার গোল্ডেন জ্যাকেল এই তো চৌধুরী বেড়ালের মতো.
In this dark, it was not suitable condition to take photographs, but the safari is worth exploring. We went ahead after spotting the golden jackal. Here I want to mention one thing, that is, whoever is going on this wildlife safari, be it in Satkosia or any other place, please maintain wildlife decorum. This time is the time of the animals and we are intruding in their territory. So we should maintain the decorum, and by keeping silence, there will be chances of more sighting of mammals and wild animals in the wild. We reached the Bagmunda forest checkpost, and here most of the elephant movements happen during this time. Just a few days before our safari, a few tourists were lucky to encounter elephant movements around this area, and this video was shot by Mr. Sunil Sahu. Apart from the sighting of wild animals, the most beautiful thing in this safari is the morning. After the thrilling early morning safari where everything was covered in dark and mist, and we heard multiple elephant movements, we were anticipating to bump into elephants any moment. We were thrilled as well as scared at the same time. This early morning was very soothing and very relaxing. Then the driver of a safari vehicle spotted something in the jungle. It was a herd of spotted deer. Moving ahead, we also got a sighting of a barking deer inside the forest. It was around 7 a.m. now, and it was our time to return to our camp. If you are lucky, you can also spot animals like elephants, leopards, Indian gaur, just like I have shown, but the chances of sighting are always better in summer. Nevertheless, in winters, you can enjoy the serenity and beauty of this jungle as you can see. We will try to visit Satkosia again in summers where we would like to explore the jungle for wild animals and shoot the Malabar Trogon. So, this was all about our experience of jungle safari at Satkosia, which was really thrilling. You can also take this safari to get the thrilling experience and the sighting of animals in wild. If this video has been enjoyable to watch and helpful, please do not forget to like this video and let us know the feedback in the comment section because your encouragement gives me motivation to give videos on YouTube. And also, if you like such videos, please do not forget to click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So, till the next video, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.